person you used to be, before you age your eyes. You used to laugh till you pissed yourself, and hell we used to cry. And you find me in the morning down by the riverbank, and we'll get stoned and pass around a drink. And you're my friend, but in the end I walk myself down that road and I ramble, because loneliness makes me happy. Greater feeling in the world than risking your own life, throwing yourself in a boxcar as she burns on down the line. And you're running in the morning down by the riverbank, and get stoned and pass around a drink. And you're my friend, but in the end I'll walk myself down that road that I ramble, because lonely makes me happy. Some people tell me to settle down, but the prayers stay on my mind. And your home ain't worth damn to be compared to the open sky. When you find me in the morning down by the riverbank, I'll slow and pass around and drink. And you're my friend, but in the end I'll walk myself down that road that I rumble, and loneliness makes me happy. Stoned and pass around a drink. And you're my friend, but in the end I'll walk myself down that road that I rumble, because lonely makes me happy. I say loneliness makes me happy. Well, howdy there, pluckers. Ivysaur Fingers back with you again. Something slightly different. This is a song from a band called the Lost Dog Street Band, and a gentleman called Todd, Benjamin Todd. Okay, it's one of these lesser known Americana sort of troubadours that goes around, usually with himself and his wife plays the fiddle. I've done quite a few of their songs in the past, but I haven't done one for a while. So this one came up, and I thought, oh, it's quite an interesting one. Lots of chords. If you're into chords and trying to get a fast chord change going, this is quite challenging. Okay, so hopefully you enjoyed that. And I'm in standard tuning, but a capoed at the 2nd fret, as per the key that he uses, the key of A. Okay. And I believe this is how he plays it. Okay, obviously the recording has actually banjo on it, and probably some other violin as well, I think, I'm not sure, or fiddle should I say. This is just on a guitar version. So it starts off with a chord sequence of G, however you wish to play it. Simple G chord, okay, or that way or that way. B7, E7, that's an E chord with your lifted up 3rd finger, open 4th string, 1st on the 3rd string, 2nd on the 5th. An A7 played like that, the way I do it. So I'm just playing the 2nd on the 4th and the 2nd on the 2nd from the capo, 5 downwards, and a D7. So so far it's back to the G. Okay, and it's I don't know if you call this ragtime or Charleston or that sort of swing type thing around the 1920s type music. Yeah, so it's just like down, 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 up, down, up, but it's rapid. Okay, so that sort of thing. Okay, practice. I'm not that good at it. That is a bit quick for me, but never mind. Practice. So anyway, so that's the intro. G, B7, E7, A7, D7, G. And on the actual recording he does it twice, but he's obviously got, I think he might have a fiddle or a harmonica going at the same time. Okay, so then comes in the verse, and it's basically the same chord sequence as the intro. Okay, so it's remember that person you used to be, before you had age on your eyes. Repeat. You used to laugh till you pissed yourself, and hell you even. On that last line you stop on the D7. Okay, so it's that last second half is you used to laugh till you pissed yourself, and hell you even used to cry. Okay, and that's a verse, and there are basically about 3 verses in the song, and they all play the same way. Some of them are slightly shorter. I think the second verse is only half as long as that. It only goes through the whole lot once. Okay, so go from the intro. G, B7, E7, A7, D7, G. Repeat, go with the words. Remember that person you used to be, before you had age on your eyes. You used to laugh till you pissed yourself, and hell you even used to cry. Right, now comes the chorus, and you'll find me. So it's and you'll find me is C, me in the morning down by the river bank. So that's C to C minor. Unfortunately, these are the best ways to play a bar chord. 3rd fret from the capo, and then the minor shape. Second, 4th fret on the 2nd string with your 2nd finger there. 5th fret from the capo on the 4th string, and 3rd string with your 3rd finger and pinky. Okay, C minor. You could do a simpler version like that if you like. So 3rd fret from the capo, top E string, 4th fret on the 2nd, 5th fret on the 4th and 3rd string, 4 downwards. So you could, and into the G. Yeah, well, that way. So it goes and from the end of the verse where it goes, hell you even used to cry, and find me in the morning, C minor, down by the river, G bank. Repeat, and C, we'll get stoned, and C minor, pass around the G drink. Again, and you're my friend, but this time you stop on the C minor. And you're my friend, but in the end I'll walk myself down. Now that rundown is from the C, and you're my friend, C minor, but in stop. In the end, you just do the single stroke on that C minor. In the end, I'll G, walk myself, B7 down that C, road that I, C minor again, rumble, because G, loneliness, stop on the D7, makes me G happy. And then you do the intro again. Okay, so the whole chorus, and you'll find me in the morning down by the river bank, and we'll get stoned and pass around a drink, and you're my friend, but in the end I'll walk myself down that road that I rumble, because loneliness makes me happy. An intro. B7, E7, A7, D7, G. Right, the second verse is just one lot through. It's half the length of the first verse. Okay, so a greater feeling in the world there is in your own life. Repeat. Throwing yourself in a box as she burns. Stop on the D7 down the G line. Middle bit of the chorus again, you find me in the morning down by the river bank, and we'll get stoned and pass around a drink. Walk myself down that road that I rumble, because loneliness makes me happy. Okay, oops, sorry about that, like a cat's jumping around here. After that we go into verse 3, which again is a short verse, just one lot of chords through. Okay, then it repeats the chorus again, exactly the same as usual. Then it plays the instrumental. Again, you can do it twice or once. I only did it once on my playthrough. And then you do the chorus again. So it's like at the end of the song, you come out of a chorus, you do the instrumental, you do another chorus, and then you just repeat the last line where it comes, because loneliness makes me happy. I said G, loneliness, D7 makes me G happy. And there it is, boys and girls, it's that straightforward. Apart from the fact it goes on like a train. Anyway, have a listen to the original. It's quite speedy, but a nice interesting song to get chords working, fast changing and all that sort of thing. Okay, hope you enjoyed that, and I'll see you in the next lesson. Bye for now.